Today we're going to be unboxing this 4.5-inch grinder. This is the model number DWE4011. Now, this, we picked it up at Lowe's. I don't remember the price. I can check. Let's see. Got a receipt here. It was $63. So you can pick these up for $63 at Lowe's right now. Now, I did have a 4.5-inch grinder already, but you know, I like giving you guys unboxing videos, and this one was at a really good deal, and it will come in handy, even though we done got one, because you can never have too many tools. And mine's got a little age on it, so come with an instruction manual. Comes in a box. The quality feels extremely good. It does not have the trigger that you normally see on these. But it does got a on and off side switch here, which is kind of cool. I guess this is what you hold down to take it off. Yep. It comes with a handle, depending on what side you are. You can go on the right or left side. This does got 12,000 RPM. It's 4.5 inch. Here's the specs. 850 watts, 12,000 RPM. And it's almost 4 pounds. So it's a neat little grinder for the price. I mean, they do offer these in cordless, and Dewalt's a good brand. If you ain't seen my buffing videos and some of my car painting videos, I use a Dewalt buffer. It does great. So I'm a big fan of this brand. It also comes with an Allen key in the box and some cutoff wheels. Oh, that's, ow, my toe. Ouch. But it also comes with a grinding disc. So that's kind of neat. So we're going to put everything here and back in the box, and hopefully we will, in a few videos, you can see us using this. So if you think about buying one of these, let me know if this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this unboxing, leave a comment, drop a like, and be sure to show your support from my channel by smashing that subscribe button. And I might be able to upgrade my table one day, my unboxing table. Thanks for watching.